like going down to 1%. I feel that.
But it's not 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, I know, that's the difference. Everyone should be fucking alive and kicking rather than like. Oh yeah.
The fourth night that I'm trying.
Dude, I know this like now, like the back of my hand. It's
Yeah, I know my rotations perfectly.
That's
What's
good.
going to be ready when?
So the question is, how many wipes do you want? That's the real question.
173.
Ah, that's nothing.
Yeah, but without a kill.
Ah, without a kill. Okay. I'm on 449 now. Everyone's ready? When you're ready, Chief.
Avenge, can you take a flask?
Moj, right, Rook will
Food?
Yeah, boy. Here we go.
probably get you in the next one. I'm going to run another one straight after this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we'll kill him, then I'll go again. Good soaks. One's avoidance.
Beware. 75. 74.
Everyone's on the right stacks. Soak both lines. More people on the other line. Thank you.
72.
4, 3, 2.
71.
Stop.
Stop DPS escape, please. And push
go.
now. Everyone's okay?
Should be, yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Just out of curiosity, can we use the Warlock Gate when we march towards the center?
Sure.
Oh.
Positioning again, just make sure you're at max range.
Taunt.
Dodge.
Taking Ramonia. Empire, watch out.
Dodge again.
Taunting
again.
now. Keep tanking. And
So unlucky.
Impale casting, go back. Taunt, please. Beware. Massacre.
Same thing, give space to the meanies, guys. There's a lot of ranged who are too close forwards. Dodge the floor.
Good. Tin is tanking now.
Nuke the melee ads down straight away. Tank the boss on top of them.
Watch out, impale.
Dodge. Dodge.
Taunting.
Big DPS on the boss. Impels to the right, right, whatever you want to call it. Get ready for pushback to the left hand side. Push over to the left. Soaks. People aren't soaking. There's people doing melee and not soaking at all. Push out. It's far away.
Use
Push
cooldowns,
into the
health
boss.
potions.
Push back. Health stones if you need to. Give innovates out if you've got innovate spare.
1.
Get ready for ravage.
I can dodge damage.
Push back. Push them in. Push in. Push all the. Push them in. Push them in.
Taunting. Taunt.
Soaks.
Oh, it's gonna be bad. Watch out, push back in free.
Help. Yeah, perfect. Taunting. Use your health potions, health stones, cooldowns, death cooldowns.
Soaks.
I'm
People aren't
I'm
soaking.
using the bubble. Fussy, I'm using my bubble. No damage incoming for 10 seconds.
Raw. Push to the far end. Push everything to the far end. The soaks as well.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Get ready for knockback. Get pushed into the middle. Push them in. Push the boss to the side. Soaks.
I'm coming.
Get all the way to the end.
Push in.
Taunt, please.
Push them as close in as possible, please. Don't have to take them too far back.
Massacre. Dodge. Use cooldowns, guys. Taunting.
Keep pushing.
Soak.
Go stoke, guys.
Get your anti-magic.
GG's.
Yeah.
Good job. Poggers in the chat.
Fucking shit, man.
Thank you.
You're
Fucking
welcome.
hell.
You're welcome.
That was amazing.
GG's, guys. GG's.
That was
Well done,
fucking amazing to watch. That was so smooth at the end.
Thank you very much for that raid lead. Really appreciate it. Really well done.
Yeah, guys, thank you very much.
Thanks for the patience, Chris.
Thank you.
And the main thanks goes to Poggers, guys. No offense to anyone.
Alright, time to get no loot.
And says Poggers
My dude.
Can we get the rest, please?
Who's ready for their 35 anima? Yeah,
I've got 35,
35 anima.
Never fucking lucky.
What's the point? I got no dude.
Gosh, I'm shaking it.
Just remember, the real reward is the friends you made along the way.
Yeah.
Well done, everyone. Like, by the way, I will be loading this to YouTube anyway after probably tomorrow, so you can watch it back, and then I'm gonna do probably just a little voiceover with some of the stuff that's going on and why people are dying and all the other bits. But yeah, congratulations everyone, you fucking deserve it. Like all the people who've probably had 100+ pulls, enjoy it, and people who have killed it already, I'm sure you enjoy it even more. And then anyone who's in chat who's waiting for the next go, I think I'm just gonna go again. So if anyone in chat wants a kill, then we'll go again. But well done everyone.
You wanted to do,
remember, everyone needs to tag themselves on Discord as a kill, and then I will give you the role for the kill, and then next week you'll just get priority compared to some other people, so we get the groups a little bit faster through, and hopefully you don't have to go through some of the same pains with, you know, going through 50, 60, 70, 100 extra pulls when you don't need to.
How do we mark ourselves?
You don't know, just tag your own name. So @ and then your name, and then just say killed Sire, and then I will give you the role.
Where do you?
we tag it?
On Discord, just in general.
General chat.
Not even animal. What? Like,
Same.
that's amazing.
Anyone else feel like they need a scotch?
Mate, more than that. Every time I do this is like, fucking hell. But to be honest, this is one of the larger groups that we've done. So normally we do it like, if you do it like 2, 4, 14, it's maybe a little bit easier because you don't have to depend on as many people doing mechanical stuff. And obviously you get a lot more space to work with. So the more people, the more Remorias, the more Crescendos, you know, so it's even harder, I would say, because it's a like one-shot kill effect. So you think we had, what, 18 DPS, 5 healers, 2 tanks, so that's a stack of 25. So that's really good, like really well done.
Yeah, I just saw the kill, Poggers. That was super clean. I saw the seed at the end. Very, I was like, oh no, they're gonna move the circles on him, and they just moved around you. I was like, ah, so
yeah,
kind.
It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, that was a bit of a fuck up for mine. I was like, I'm gonna move on it. Oh no! But it actually worked out all right. It worked out all right.
I saw you blink, and you managed to not get hit by a massacre. I was like, ah, okay, he's a king.
Have a nice evening, guys. See you next time.
Awesome kill,
Yeah,
guys.
hey, not till 7 PM. Let's go.
Bye.
Can you tell me where you uploaded?
It'll just be in there's a YouTube video channel, and this one will be, I'll just call it the same. It'll be the same thing, but it'll be like group 2 on whatever. So then you can just watch it back, and I'm also gonna make a kind of like a little intro video of the top 10 things to do on this fight, and then just showcase what people do wrong and what people do right. So if you died on that fight, you can be highlighted in that, definitely.
Yes, I'm not a highlight.
Backpack, you're definitely in that. Scuba, Coco, twice.
The YouTube link in your...
Oh, sorry, Scuba. Let me unmute you, dude. It may be that you were just like one day just hammering your keyboard.
It's probably the breathing. That tends to happen for people when they just heavy breathe
Like,
during a kill. They'd miss a cooldown, they're like, uh-oh.
Yo, you can hear me now.
Yeah, you probably missed your screams of, yeah, my delayed reaction. Woo!
I was not in the best mode at Fastful, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know if it's, I don't know.
What you say, bro?
I don't know.
Back.
I don't know if it's good or bad. You know when you're looking at it and you say if you're dead in the fight and you're having to watch it out, you're like, oh shit!
Oh, that was bad.
I've given the key to someone else, so basically you can help others.
I lived for 11 votes and I fucked up 2 of them.
Thank you very much. We very much appreciate it.
Ooh, who got the super good trinket? Sasso. Ooh, absorb up to 14,000 damage. Then heal for 200% of the shield remaining amount.
It's such a good tank trinket.
That
I've
is
been trying to
crazy.
get it.
And he's not even a tank. What the fuck?
Yeah, exactly.
What?
He's probably in tank.
Yeah, he's probably looting in tank spec. Dude, if I got that on my DK, I'd be a happy boy.
Yeah, I'll be super happy. Super happy.
You crazy kids have fun. Catch the stream a bit later.
Oh, there we go. There's the breathing. I see why he's muted. The kill's done. He's dead. It's alright. You can breathe normally now.
I've killed him 2 times this week.
Nice.
Yeah, same as us. Well, Poggers has done 4 times now.
Jesus Christ.
I did one earlier. I did one earlier today, and then I did one another earlier before this, but then I stopped because I wanted to get food and watch you.
I did one yesterday and we got him, but I died in that fight. My look says 2.
Oh, that feels bad. To be honest, I actually just really enjoy the fight. It's actually a really nice fight to just, like, compared to, say, a Sludge or a Stone Legion, where it's a bit, like, mundane and repetitive, this is, like, quite intensive. So I like it. There's lots of things going on.
Yeah, I really like it. It's a nice fight. The only upsetting thing is the amount of raid damage that will be taken if people just stand in things.
Yeah, I mean, if you get away with, like, the Remoria and get people to, like, use Stilly Impels effect and stuff like that, then you're laughing because the damage is so little.